My biggest obstacle right now is how do you incentivize independent couriers slash independent contractors? Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara back again with another video. Thank you for checking Do My Life out. If you're new around here, we talk about health, wealth, and from time to time we'll do reviews. Anything about automotive or anything technology. But today, still focused on this independent courier journey and how we can get better. That's literally what it is. How we can get better. This video is pretty much a help me video because I need you to help me with a few things going on in my life right now. As I said before, I am currently the operations manager at the courier company that I had a contract with, and I'm happy I'm there, but I am confused as to how to conduct myself as an operations manager to this extent. I have always managed people in the W-2 hourly salary setting where you can, to a degree, dictate, standards and procedures with them and, hold them accountable for those things. My biggest obstacle right now is how do you incentivize independent couriers slash independent contractors? Because in that setting, I'm very novice at this, right? As in, you're dealing with people that can choose to take the work or not to choose to take the work, which is they're rightfully able to do that. My main concern is how do I incentivize that group of people for them to consistently say yes to the work and things like that. This is more of a community question for everyone, those who are currently independent couriers and those who are wanting to be independent couriers. In a utopian world, in a perfect world, and I want it to be realistic as possible. So my main questions are, one, what would incentivize you to come in consistently, work with a particular, any company? What is the draw there? Outside of money, obviously, and things like that. Because obviously in a utopian world, they'll give you $3 a mile, which is probably not gonna happen, but that's a utopian world. So comment down below, and I really need your input on this one and feedback on this one. Those of you who are currently independent couriers and those of you who are wanting to be independent couriers, what benefits would you want? What positives do you want from the company that can take you to a level of, hey, I like working in this company. I see myself working there long term. Basically everything that a stable company, as in a W-2 company that you can, do and be a bit more career minded in. Flip that and put that into a gig setting company. What would incentivize you to stay with that company? What would you want from that company to offer you so you can be like, yes, this is a great company to work with, not work for, work with. And that's the obstacle that I'm facing right now, because I wanted to come up with solutions to lower turnover. That's one for any company. It's always turnover. People come and go. I don't want that. I want people to stay there and feel good about working with the company. Be aligned with the mission and goals of the company, at the same time making sure that they are financially stable as well, because mission and visions are great, but if the people, your soldiers, the people who are the backbone of your company are not being taken care of, then it can go awry. It can go weird really quick. So I wanted to find that sweet spot, if I can say that, a sweet spot for a IC, independent courier, independent contractor, will feel great about working with a company. What are the minimums for you guys? Does it need to be money? Does it need to be benefits? Does it need to be, it can go so many ways. Everybody's different. This is why this video is going to be a great source of information for everyone. Comment down below, put in your input. Even if it's a question, put it down, because other seasoned independent couriers can let you know the ins and outs of the business and everything like that. Because other seasoned couriers or contractors can let you know the ins and outs of the business. As I said before, I'm not perfect. I am just a guy who has experience in a few things, and I'm just trying to hone in my skill and get better every single time, every single go. I'm always trying to find solutions and try to be great at what I do, and try to just consistently grow and things like that, and consistently get better at what I do. I got a message here. Comment down below with all the solutions that you guys can come up with. I just definitely need the feedback, because I do want to take the company and work with. It is a great company, but I want to take it to the next level. I want to work on the bottom line for everybody. the business owner, the business, as well as the drivers. I want to make sure that everybody eats. This is basically the reasoning for making this video right now. So I'm pleading with you guys to give me, in a utopian world or in the best setting that you can be, what benefits to becoming an independent courier, staying with a contract or being with a contract. What is the ideal contract you want to stay with? What are the terms you would love? What are the added benefits or things like that in a utopian world? And from there, I will compile all those details and come up with maybe a game plan to present and work with and experiment with. I would love your feedback. So once again, thank you for your time. Thank you for the upcoming feedback. Comment down below. I really appreciate it if you do. And I'll see you again. Please check out all the videos. Please check out the videos. Without you, this channel would not be growing. And I really appreciate all the views and things like that. And once again, we are close to 8,000. I really appreciate that as well. Help me get to 10,000, grow this channel out so we can reach more people, build a community and things like that. And take care. Bye.